Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you information on payroll report. Click on the side menu, come up under the reports and you will see the payroll report. Once you click on that, along with an overview of the team and attendance, you can also access each member's daily attendance and the payroll generated against that. You can select the member name from here and the date range and you can click on Generate Report. Once that is done, you will be able to see that against a specific member name, the date has been mentioned and under that date, the amount has been mentioned. This is the pay rate that has been defined as for a specific member and it has been calculated with the time spent for the specific date. The amount is generated like this and it is going to give you the data of the date range that you have selected from here. You can also have the member selected from the specific drop down. You can select and you can even send this report to a specific email address from send. Then you can schedule the report at a certain time and you can have the data downloaded in PDF and the CSV format from here. The paginations are shown at the very bottom right corner. You can just toggle to the specific page to have the data viewed. So this was all about the payroll report. Thank you.